The Lost Kitten. My name is Lily. I live in a small house with my parents. Our house is green. It has a small garden. I like our garden. I play there every day. One sunny afternoon, I was in the garden. I heard a small sound. It went meow, meow. I looked behind a big red flower. There was a little kitten. It was all alone. It was black and white. It had big green eyes. It looked at me and said meow again. "Hello, little kitten," I said. "Where is your mother? Where is your home?" The kitten just looked at me. I felt sad for the kitten. It was so small. I went into the house. "Mom, Dad, there is a kitten in the garden," I said. My parents came to the garden. They saw the little kitten. "Oh, it's so small," said my mom. "It looks lost. We need to find its home," said my dad. I had an idea. "Can we help it, please? Can we give it some milk?" My mom smiled. "Yes, we can give it some milk and water." I got a small bowl. I put some milk in it. I took the bowl to the garden. The kitten was scared at first. It did not come close. I put the bowl down and walked away. The kitten slowly walked to the bowl. It drank all the milk. I was very happy. "Now we need to find its owner," my dad said. "We can ask our neighbors." Neighbors are the people who live near your house. We went to our next-door neighbor, Mr. Brown. He has a big dog, but he does not have a cat. He said, "No, it's not my kitten." Sorry. We went to many houses. We asked Mrs. Smith and the Taylor family and old Mr. Jones. Nobody lost a kitten. The sun was going down. It was almost night. "What do we do now?" I asked. I held the kitten. It was warm and soft. It started to sleep in my arms. My mom looked at my dad. "It's late. The kitten can sleep here tonight," she said. "Tomorrow we can ask more people." I was so happy. "Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad." We made a small bed for the kitten in a box. We put a soft towel in the box. The kitten slept in the box all night. The next morning, I woke up early. I ran to the box. The kitten was awake. It looked at me and said meow. I gave it more milk and some water. Then I played with it in the garden. I loved the kitten so much. I wanted it to stay with us forever. After breakfast, my dad said, "Lily, we need to make some posters." A poster is a big piece of paper with a picture and words. We took a photo of the kitten. We printed the photo on paper. The poster said, "Found, a small black and white kitten. Is it yours? Call this number." We put our phone number on the poster. We put the posters on trees near our house. We waited. I played with the kitten all day. I named it Panda because it was black and white like a panda. I said to my parents, "Maybe nobody will call. Maybe Panda can live with us?" My mom said, "We will see, Lily." Maybe the owner is very sad and misses Panda. 2 days passed. No one called. I started to hope. Maybe Panda was my kitten now. I loved Panda very much. On the 3rd day, the phone rang. My dad answered. A lady on the phone said, "I saw your poster. I think it is my kitten. Her name is Buttons. She has a small white spot on her left ear." We looked at Panda, or Buttons. Yes. There was a tiny white spot on her left ear. It was true. The lady came to our house in the afternoon. She was young and she looked worried. When she saw the kitten, she cried, "Buttons! Oh, Buttons!" The kitten ran to her. It was happy to see her. It was really her kitten. The lady's name was Anna. She said, "Thank you so much. Buttons ran away from my garden 3 days ago. I was so sad. I looked for her everywhere. Thank you for taking care of her." I felt happy for Anna, but I also felt sad for me. I loved Panda. Buttons. Anna saw my face. She said, "You were so kind to her. You gave her milk and a safe home." "Thank you." I said, "I will miss her." Anna thought for a moment. "You know," she said, "I live very close. Maybe you can visit Buttons sometimes?" And Buttons' mother cat just had new kittens. They will be ready for a new home in a few weeks. Maybe you would like to have one? My eyes became big. I looked at my mom and dad. "Can I? Please? Can we have one of Buttons' family?" My mom and dad smiled. "Yes, Lily," said my dad. "You showed you are a very responsible girl. You can have a kitten." I was so happy. I could visit Buttons, and soon I would have my very own kitten. Anna left with Buttons. I was a little sad, but also excited for the future. A few weeks later, Anna called. The kittens were ready. We went to her house. There were 4 small kittens. They were all so cute. One kitten was gray and white. It came to me and played with my shoe. "This one likes you," Anna said. I picked up the gray and white kitten. It looked at me with big blue eyes. It said meow in a very small voice. "Hello," I said. "Do you want to come home with me?" The kitten sat in my hand. It was perfect. Now, the gray and white kitten lives with me. Its name is Smokey. Smokey is my best friend. We play in the garden every day. Sometimes, we visit Anna and Buttons. Buttons and Smokey play together. I am happy. I helped a lost kitten and found a best friend. And I learned that when you are kind, good things happen.
Thank you for listening to this story. I hope you enjoyed the story and felt calm and relaxed. If you like simple English stories, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I make slow and easy stories for English beginners. See you in the next story. Goodbye and have a peaceful day.